to mash it. I will use mortar and pestle. This is my mini mortar and pestle, just like pounded yam. That's what I want to do now. Let me first rinse the very important, because they did not rinse it for me. They only removed all the intestine so that it can be fresh before I get to the house. Can you see? I'm just rinsing it off. Grill can really take time, but I don't mind, sha. Long time no grill. These are Irish potatoes. I'm going to mash it. I'm going to make soup with this and salad. I'm going to make coleslaw with this. Just be patient too. This is going to take a lot of time. Let me just start by, and there's going to be sauce, tomato sauce, but I'll add a little bit of pepper. You understand? Because I don't like eating food that does not have pepper. I want it to be a bit peppery. So I have pepper here. I got pepper here. What again? Okay, I thought of frying plantain before, but I think I'll just leave that plantain. Let me leave with the food that they never, that they least expected. Oh, mommy, today is the best day of my life. They will not let me hear what. Today is the best day of my life. Children can really be funny, eh? So it's time to grill. Hey, I've already marinated the fish, as you can see. So I want to grill now. That's all I want to use this one to do. So I've peeled the potato. The next thing to do now, I'm going to cook. I will boil it, okay? And after that, I'm going to pound it like pounded yam. I took get time. I'll pound it now. So I'm going to add salt. Hello, baby. How are you? How was school today? So you can see I'm adding salt, and I'm going to add Maggi too. Yeah. I'm going to have just a cube of Maggi. So I'm about to fry the sauce. You see, everything has been hot. I'm eating coconut. So guys, it's ready. The fish is ready. Ta-da! You like it? It's time to eat. Time to eat. It's time to eat. Please rate my cooking, guys. Rate my cooking, even though the heat is out of the world. I no panic. You got no one more. I love it.